Good morning, everybody. Happy Independence Day. 78 years back, we got independence from Britishers. Before 1947, we are in bondage. After 47, before 47, so many freedom fighters are fought to bring this Independence Day. After getting Independence Day, we are celebrating nearly 78 completed years, and we are entering into 79. As a children, we are also still in some bondages. We have to come out from that bondage, like not respecting teachers, not respecting elders, parents, and copying in the examination. These are all the bondages. We have to come out from that one. There is a word, truth will set you free. Truth will set you free. If you are in truth, automatically you can get independence. Otherwise, you can't get independence. Individually, we should get independence. Everybody has some bondage, and we have one freedom fighter with us. We have to fight to come out from that bondage. So, I think everybody understood my words. So, try to give respect to elders and give respect to country and become a good citizen of India. Thank you very much.
Plus girls to sing a patriotic song in Hindi. Inviting our respected HK sir to deliver his wishes also on this special event.
Respected director sir, respected principal madam and HR sir,
and all my colleagues, I wish you very happy Independence Day. Already, Director sir and HR sir said that about the independence and how we can move our life and how can we enjoy our life, how we to turn our life as a free. So that also I said only. What their words is a beautiful words. If you follow, then follow that words and follow the try to yourself as a free bird in your life and enjoy the rest of life as a good student and as a good citizen of India. So I bless you all. Wish you a happy Independence Day. Thank you all.
Now I'm inviting our respectable Beulah madam to give a speech and also give some announcements on this special event.
Good morning, all of you, and happy 78th Independence Day wishes to Honorable Director Sir, Correspondent Ma'am, and the HM Sir and the HR Sir, and my dear beloved teachers and my lovely students. Already our Director Sir and HR Sir and the HM Sir has given their wonderful suggestions and wishes to all of you. Now I would like to only one thing to inspire all of our students and teachers what we have to do on this Independence Day. Independence Day means it's not a mark of only celebrations. It's a mark of to show the gratitude. To show the gratitude to our freedom fighters, to our elders who make our country free from the other countries. As we remember all these things every day, every year, that we are free birds and free Indians like that. But what the gratitude we have to show? We have to show the gratitude first of all to our parents who make us to study in English medium schools and who make us to teach in English medium schools, who make us to do the administration or to become as the leaders. So we have to show the gratitude first of all to our parents, and we have to show the gratitude to, as a student, you all should show the gratitude to all of our teachers. As for my observation, the students should learn how to show the gratitude in the classroom and in the school premises as well as at their homes. You people have to learn how to show the gratitude based on your self-discipline. All the students should develop the self-discipline. Self-discipline means it's not a discipline monitored by the teachers or some others. You people have to develop a self-discipline in yours. As what sir said, we have to overcome the, not the problems, what are the minus points in our life we have to overcome from that one. Then automatically we will become the free. The self-discipline will make us a confident also. If you not have the self-discipline, you always fear to the teachers. You always fear to some others who are monitoring something. Some people are watching and our directors are watching in the CCTV like that. Not like that. The students should have the self-discipline. There is no need to fear for anybody. You people have to think and develop the self-discipline to become the good citizens of India. First of all, we have to develop our school. How we have to develop our school? With the self-discipline, with the moral values, and the gratitude to the teachers. If you develop all these good characters in your life, you also will become a good citizen of India. It's all of our responsibility. How to be at the student life, how to be at when we are grown up, and how to be, we become in the future. And as we fix our goals, we have to travel towards the goals with the self-discipline, moral values, and gratitude. I hope from on this auspicious Independence Day, you want to become as an independent student. That means independent student means develop the self-discipline, to follow the moral values, to show the gratitude. If you have these three characters, automatically you will become a good student, and it leads to becoming a good citizen of India. Thanking you all, and now I would like to announce. Already, as for our director's vision, we started extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities more on this year. Extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities make the students perfect in their regular studies. You people also have to intimate and inform about the importance of extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, how they are helping you in studies. So one by one, we are introducing the extracurricular activities. You are lucky to learn the archery, you are lucky to learn the karate, you are lucky to learn a number of games and sports, you are lucky to learn the high technology based robotics, you are lucky to learn the computer knowledge. These all are helping in the regular academics. Extracurricular activities always help us to be good in our regular academics. Now, this year we are going to enhance our extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities. And today we are very happy to announce that recently we conducted a language test, that is English Club Qualified Test for the classes 5th to 9th standard. Among these all 5th to 9th standard, 62 students are passed that examination. 62 only passed that examination, and among the 62, we selected based on their ranking 32 students as the first batch of English Club. I am very happy to announce those students on today because these 32 English Club first team will become the trainers for the next upcoming English Club teams. This first team, again I am repeating, the first team will become as the trainers. That much of training we are going to give by our teaching team of English. Now I would like to call our English faculty, Mrs. Akhila Garu, to announce the list of the 32 students. And there will be another program also we will conduct for this English Club team. Now I would like to introduce the students who are qualified out of nearly 200 students. These 32 students are stand as rankers. We have to congratulate them as they have selected the first team of English Club. While we are announcing the student name, the student has to come forward.
I'm very happy to announce the English Club members for first batch. Now I'm calling the names. P. Nagasri from 5th class. Please come on the dais. A. Harika 5th class. Tota Sri Ganesh 5th class. B. Gautam 5th class. G. Yashashwini 5th class. Ram Mukhi. Come on the dais. These students come on the dais. Repeat it. Nagsri from 5th class. P. Nagasri. Chidvilash from 5th. Chidvilash from 5th class. Come on the dais. Give a claps, ma. Here Harika from 5th class. Come fast, ma. Please, Sai Ganesh from 5th class. Come fast, ma. Run. E. Gautam from 5th class. G. Vaishnavi from 5th class. J. Ram Rukit from 5th class. K. Dhanvi from 5th class. N. Salomin from 5th class. N. Tejasri from 5th class. A. Parnika from 6th class. A. Harika from 6th class. P. Niharika from 6th class. G. Sharina from 6th class. B. Bhavishya Raj from 6th class. M. Mansa from 7th class. R. Nagendra from 7th class. K. Ganga Bhavani from 7th class. Subbarao from 7th class. Hama Ganga Sri from 7th class. Veer Chakra from 7th class. Chaitra Devi from 8th class. Vivek from 8th class. K. Devi from 8th class. G. Joshna from 8th class. Y. Navya from 8th class. Siri from 8th class. P. Nagalakshmi from 8th class. A. Hamasri from 9th class. B. Sahasra from 9th class. M. Mansa from 9th class. D. Chandrika from 9th class.
in English. And in future, these all 32 students are becoming as the trainers of the English club of the whole student team of the PMR. In that way, we are going to train up the students, and the students will be happy, and the parents also will feel happy, as well as we are also feel very happy while our students are doing a great job as the English trainers in the future. And congratulate them. And on Monday onwards, we are going to start the first session for this English team.